Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SharePoint to Power Automate step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the SharePoint site you want to connect to Power Automate. Log in with your credentials if prompted. Next, navigate to the specific document library or list where you want to set up the automation. In the upper right corner, click on the Integrate drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Power Automate. Choose Create a Flow from the options provided. You will be directed to the Power Automate website. If prompted, log in using the same credentials you used for SharePoint. Once on the Power Automate dashboard, click on Templates in the left menu. In the search bar, type SharePoint to find relevant templates that you can use. Review the available templates and choose one that suits your needs. Click on the selected template to open it. You will see a flow outline with specific triggers and actions. To customize the flow, click on each action to modify its settings. Make sure to connect to your SharePoint account by clicking on the connection links. Follow the prompts to authenticate your SharePoint connection. After all necessary connections are made, customize additional settings as required. Once your flow is set up, click Save in the upper right corner. To test your flow, click on the Test button near the top of the page. Follow the instructions to run the flow and verify that it operates as expected. After testing, you can return to the main Power Automate dashboard. Here, you can monitor your flow's performance and make further adjustments if needed. Congratulations, you have successfully connected SharePoint to Power Automate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.